Hello, I am trying this sunscreen lotion from GoPure. So this is free. They sent it to me. It said broad spectrum SPF 40. So let's try this. So GoPure tinted mineral. This one. From GoPure. This is free sample for me. You can check on the description if how much is this. It's so hard. It's hard, huh? Why not try this? It's hard. It's a kind of liquid foundation with SPF 40. So 15 minutes before you go out to the sun. So I do this because it's hard for the Oh, it's nice. From GoPure. You can check the description is how much is this. I don't have any makeup because I just got out from the shower, and then I put a little bit of moisturizer and then this one because I want to go out. It's like a makeup to me. It's like a liquid foundation at the same time SPF 40. A broad spectrum. It's nice. Put it back. Bye for now. It's refresh. Feeling glow.